Hey everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going on a little adventure to a city that's really special to me. Don't worry, it's not some fancy tourist spot you see in magazine. It's Hajipur, a cozy little city nestled in Bihar. Now you might be wondering, Hajipur, why Hajipur? Well, trust me on this one, sometimes the most amazing stories are hidden in the most unexpected places, and Hajipur is one of those places. It's a city brimming with ancient history, a lively culture, and a unique charm that's all its own. So get comfy, grab your favorite drink, and let's dive into the hidden treasures and captivating stories of Hajipur together. To really get to know Hajipur, we need to take a trip back in time, to an era where the very essence of history was being written. You see, Hajipur is like that wise old member of the family, the one with all the fascinating stories to tell, stories that have been passed down through generations. It's a place that whispers tales of ancient India, a time when kings and queens ruled the land and the air was thick with the scent of history. Just a short distance from Hajipur lies Vaishali, a city steeped in history with every stone and relic telling a story of its own. Get this, Vaishali was once the capital of the Lichavi Republic, one of the earliest examples of democracy in the world. Imagine that, a democratic system in ancient times. Can you believe it? Democracy, way back then. It's almost like a hidden gem in the annals of history. Vaishali was also where Lord Mahavir, a very important figure in Jainism, was born. His teachings and legacy still resonate today. Even today, when you walk through the ruins of Vaishali, you can almost feel the presence of the past, as if the ancient walls are whispering their secrets to you. And let's not forget Hajipur itself, a city that has witnessed empires rise and fall throughout history, each leaving its mark on the land. From the Mauryan Empire to the Mughal era, Hajipur has been a silent observer, absorbing stories and secrets, just waiting for someone to uncover them. It's a city that invites you to explore its rich tapestry of history. So, next time you find yourself in Hajipur, take a moment to listen to its stories. You might just find yourself transported back in time. Now, Hajipur isn't just about the past, it's very much a part of the present, and its location is key. Imagine a map of Bihar. Right in the heart of it all, you'll find Hajipur, cozying up to Patna, the capital city, wondering how to get to this hidden gem. Well, Hajipur is like that friend who's always easy to reach, always happy to see you. You can hop on a train and the Hajipur junction will welcome you with open arms. It's a major railway station with trains coming and going from all over the country. Or if you're in the mood for a scenic road trip, Hajipur won't disappoint. The famous Mahatma Gandhi Setu, one of the longest bridges in India, connects Hajipur to Patna over the mighty Ganges River. So, whether you're a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or just looking for a unique travel adventure, Hajipur is ready to welcome you. Friends, let's talk about connections, not the kind you find online, but the real-life connections that bring people and places closer. These connections are the lifeblood of any thriving community, weaving a tapestry of shared experiences and mutual growth. Hajipur, you see, is a master connector. It's a city that thrives on its ability to link people, ideas and opportunities, creating a vibrant network that pulses with life. Think of it as a central hub, a place where journeys begin and end. Whether you're a daily commuter or an occasional traveler, Hajipur serves as a gateway to countless destinations. For those who travel by train, Hajipur Junction is a familiar name. It's not just a station, it's a bustling microcosm of the city itself. This bustling station is like the heart of the city, with trains chugging in and out, carrying people and their stories from far and wide. Each arrival and departure adds a new thread to the rich tapestry of Hajipur's narrative. And if trains aren't your thing, no worries. Hajipur welcomes you with open roads, smooth and inviting. These roads are the veins through which the lifeblood of the city flows, connecting neighborhoods and communities. National highways crisscross the region, connecting Hajipur to every corner of Bihar. These highways are the arteries that link the city to the broader state, facilitating commerce, travel and cultural exchange. But here's the real star of the show, the Mahatma Gandhi Setu. This iconic structure is more than just a bridge. It's a symbol of connection and unity. This impressive bridge, stretching over the Grand Ganges River, is more than just a way to get from one place to another. It's a marvel of engineering and a testament to human ingenuity. Imagine this. You're driving across this bridge, the vast expanse of the Ganges flowing beneath you. The view is breathtaking, a reminder of the natural beauty that surrounds this bustling city. That's Hajipur's connectivity for you. It's not just about roads and rails, it's about connecting with the very heart of Bihar, its people, its culture, its soul. It's about creating a network of shared experiences and collective growth, making Hajipur a true hub of connectivity. Chapter 4. From fields to factories, the heartbeat of Hajipur's economy. Now, let's talk about what keeps a city going, its economy. Hajipur, with its roots firmly planted in both agriculture and industry, is a city on the move. Step outside the city limits and you'll find yourself surrounded by lush green fields stretching as far as the eye can see. This is where Hajipur's heart truly lies, in its fertile land in the hands of its hard-working farmers. Rice, wheat, corn, vegetables. The land produces an abundance of food, nourishing the people and fueling the economy. But Hajipur isn't one to rest on its laurels. The city is embracing progress, opening its doors to industries and businesses. From traditional crafts to modern manufacturing, Hajipur is steadily finding its place in the world of commerce. The spirit of entrepreneurship is alive and well here, with local artisans and businesses working hard to make their mark. Chapter 5. A tapestry of traditions, celebrating life in Hajipur. But life, my friends, isn't all about work and the economy. It's about finding joy in the little moments, about taking time to relax and enjoy the company of loved ones. It's about celebrating, about coming together as a community, about keeping traditions alive and well. In Hajipur, every gathering is a testament to the strength and unity of its people, and when it comes to celebrations, Hajipur knows how to throw a party. The streets come alive with vibrant colors and joyous sounds. Imagine streets adorned with lights, the air filled with the sweet smell of incense and treats. The preparation itself is a celebration, with families coming together to cook and decorate. The sound of laughter and music fills the air as people from all walks of life come together to celebrate their faiths and traditions. From Diwali to Holi, each festival is a unique experience. Durga Puja to Eid, each celebration is marked with its own customs and rituals, adding to the rich tapestry of Hajipur's cultural heritage. Hajipur is a melting pot of cultures, a true example of India's unity and diversity. Here, people of different backgrounds come together to celebrate as one, but there's one festival that holds a special place in the hearts of the people of Hajipur, Chhath Puja. This festival is not just a ritual, it's a deeply spiritual experience. This ancient festival, dedicated to the sun god, is a sight to behold. The devotion and reverence displayed are truly inspiring. Devotees, their faces glowing with faith, gather by the rivers, offering prayers to the setting and rising sun. It's a moment of pure connection with nature and the divine. Chapter 6. Beyond the city limits, exploring Hajipur's surroundings. We've explored the heart of Hajipur, but the adventure doesn't stop there. Just like a good story, Hajipur has some bonus chapters, some hidden gems waiting to be discovered in its surroundings. We've already talked about Vaishali, the ancient city frozen in time. But there's more to see. Just a short drive away, you'll find yourself in Patna, the capital city of Bihar. Spend a day exploring the Golgar, marvel at the intricate architecture of the Patna Sahib Gurudwara, or lose yourself in the winding alleys of the old city. And when hunger strikes, treat your taste buds to some authentic litti chokha, or savor the sweetness of khaja, a local delicacy. Sometimes the best way to experience a place is to simply wander, to get lost in its lanes, to stumble upon hidden cafes and local shops. Chapter 7. Nurturing Young Minds, Education in Hajipur. Friends, the future of any city lies in the hands of its youth, and Hajipur takes this responsibility seriously. While the city may be steeped in history, it's also looking towards the future, investing in the education of its younger generation. Hajipur is home to a growing number of schools, colleges and technical institutes, all working hard to provide quality education to its students. From primary schools laying the foundation to colleges shaping young minds, Hajipur is nurturing the dreams and aspirations of its youth. The city understands that education is not just about textbooks and exams, it's about empowering individuals, about opening doors to opportunities. That's why Hajipur is also focusing on vocational training, equipping its youth with the skills they need to succeed in today's competitive world. So, as you walk through the streets of Hajipur, you'll see students rushing to school, their bags filled with books and dreams. Outro. Until next time, the charm of Hajipur lingers. So friends, there you have it. Our journey through the heart of Hajipur has come to an end. We've explored its ancient history, its vibrant culture, its growing economy, and its hopes for the future. But Hajipur is more than just a collection of places and stories. It's a feeling, an experience that stays with you long after you've left. If you're looking for a destination off the beaten path, a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of city life, Hajipur is calling. So pack your bags, hop on a train, and discover the magic of this hidden gem.